Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I will show you how to put a subscribe button on your channel. All you have to do is go to your channel and then click on customize channel. In channel customization, as you can see, there are three options. You have to click on branding. Here you can change your profile picture, banner image, and there you go, video watermark. You can download a subscribe button from Google as well, or you can put a logo of your own channel on subscribe watermark button. There you go. Now you can change your settings. I recommend you that you put entire video setting on it. Now you can publish, and there you go. It is loading. Okay, now as you can see, change is published, and go to your channel, refresh it, click on your video, and there you go. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well. That's it.